YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Nas Thrax, and welcome to Thrax.Kicks, the show where I do sneaker reviews, how-tos, and sneaker news. I want to thank each and every one of my brothers in arms that I've served along with, those who are on the way to serve with me, and those that have served before me. Happy Veterans Day to all of y'all. Today we're going to go ahead and get into another unboxing, and I'm excited for these. This is one of my favorite silhouettes of the Jordan shoe, so let's get into it. Right, so here we got a box from Foot Locker. This is a shoe that was kind of sitting on shelves a little bit. Didn't really sell out. I think a lot of people slept on it. The colorway is very, very dope to me. I wish that people wouldn't have slept so much on it, but I mean, it made it easy for me to cop, so I can't be too mad at that. So let's go ahead and unbox. So, standard Air Jordan 12 Jumpman box, the Jordan branding, Jumpman on each side, nothing too special. Whew. So right off the bat, obviously you notice that it's got the dark Concord on the aglets, dark Concord Jumpman on the tongue, white Papa 2-3 on the tongue. Mud flap is all leather, just regular leather, it's nothing too serious. The dark Concord and the Jumpman branding on the Jumpman tab, also on the inside. I really like the dark Concord pull tab. This is one of my favorite parts of the Air Jordan 12. I feel like it's so iconic. It just looks so clean and so sleek. I love that. I just love that. White pop with the 23 on the back of the heel. These colors actually match on the midsole and the outsole. Usually this little piece right here tends to be a different color. They usually just paint it with a different paint or gradient or something. I don't know what it is, but it usually doesn't match up like it does on these. Maybe because it's black, it looks better, but I like how that matches up on these. You got your carbon fiber paneling like you do on all your other 12s. You got dark Concord, see if I can see in there. Dark Concord insole with the Jumpman that's white. Nice little touch, I like that. I don't know what material this is on the upper, if it's like a nubuck or that Durabuck or what, but I like that material. Overall, I like this shoe, man. My last cop was the FIBA 12s from last year. I got those for my birthday. These came out around the same time. I think I copped at least one 12 every year, so this was definitely a go for me. I haven't gotten any more this year, but I think this was a good cop for me. This is one that I might keep in my collection. Now get in the comments, man. Y'all let me know if y'all like these. This has been my review on the Air Jordan 12 Dark Concord. Y'all hit that like button, subscribe, share this video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. This has been Thrax. This is Thrax.Kicks. Once again, I would like to thank every veteran that I worked with, those before me and those in after, and happy Veterans Day. I'm out.